Good evening. Today is March the 6th, 2023. Another new week, Monday, and today Mrs. Shim put together the moral lesson about drinking problem. We discussed last week about what kind of moral lessons are relevant right now, especially for our young leaders. We're going to train our young leaders. And young people these days are facing quite a lot of, attack, I would say. Attack from the dark world, dark force. And they want to corrupt the spirits of our young leaders. They want to destroy their spirit. Young people full of energy, and the heart is longing for love. Young people want to build family. Therefore, male-female relationship is always a central theme in every young man and young lady's mind. They want to have a beautiful family. They want to find the love of their life. And so in that process, a lot of young people, because of not knowing the truth, they make lots of mistakes. Most serious mistake, usually those mistakes are made when the young people's mind are not rational. When the young people are making those decisions under the influence of external forces. Now, usually our conduct follows our thoughts, our, mind. So if we have very righteous mind, usually our actions are righteous. Because our mind directs our body to do the right thing. However, there are certain things can ruin even a very wonderful young man or young lady when their righteous mind is suppressed and interfered by external substances. One of those very powerful substances that people think it's okay. When we say, cocaine, a lot of young people say, no, not for me, right? Cocaine, no. Some people say marijuana is okay. No, okay. Marijuana is so dangerous. It can definitely control and suppress people's righteous mind, rationality. But today we talk about something that everybody thinks it's okay. Okay, we have a dinner party. We have some wine to drink. Young people get together without drinking beer. It's like not a party. Okay, young people love to just have a party and drink some beer, and some people will drink liquor. Not only beer, but liquor. And they think it's okay because after, they got intoxicated, they wake up the next day as if everything go back to normality. But that's not true, okay? This alcohol, I think we need to watch out very carefully. Especially, young men and young ladies going to party. And when you are not careful and start to drink together with your friends, and one cup to begin with, second cup, more. And eventually, during those events, you lost totally your ability to control your body. And usually it is exactly during those moments that you don't know what you're doing that you lose control and you get into huge disastrous problems. Some actually lost their life because they drink and and then they drive, and then they hit, the side, and they lose their life just because of drinking. Okay, some because of drinking they do horrible wrong things, especially young people. This whole sex thing, that if they, especially young ladies, if they were drunken in the party, they basically could totally, because of that, make the worst mistake in their life. Okay, so for the young men and the young ladies who really want to build a wonderful, beautiful family, my recommendation is say no to alcohol. Don't drink. Okay, there's no reason you need alcohol in your life. Everyday disciplined lifestyle. When you are thirsty, drink water, drink regular juice, tea. Okay, I don't even recommend things like coffee. Even coffee, for me, my experience is that it also alters your mind. If you want to have a truly clean mind and a righteous mind and truly the captain of your ship, throughout the 24 hours, during the day, you have those hours that you need to nicely relax and sleep. But the rest of the hours that you're awake, you need to be allowing your main consciousness to be the captain of your ship. Don't let your body be directed by forces that's not you. You are in charge of this beautiful system. This human body has countless amount of sentient beings, lives in your universe. And you are the Lord of your universe. And you cannot neglect the lives of your universe. Don't let your invaders, your enemy who want to kill you, enter into your system when you were intoxicated by things like alcohol, or worse, marijuana, or cocaine. Do you know what I mean? The key issue is truly, about treasure our body. Keep our body pure and clean. And let the main consciousness to be the very responsible Lord, the captain, to run the ship and sail this ship to your true home. So to talk about this moral is very serious. That's why today I want to bring it to everyone. That's my introduction.